And Ray the Photon said, "What will we do? What will we do?" And Physics Man replied, "What do you care? You're full of hot air anyways." Hi, I'm Physics Man, and in this calculus tutorial by Physics Man Education, we will be doing an example of how to make use of the equation of a straight line. Here's the situation. Physics Man and Ray the Photon were on a hot air balloon that was running out of fuel. To ensure a safe landing, they lowered their altitude at a steady rate until they were on the ground safely. The altitude of the balloon can be expressed by this function. H, meaning the height, which is a function of time, is equal to negative 50t plus 600, where h is the height of the hot air balloon measured in meters, and t is the time in minutes. We are being asked a couple of questions now. The first question we are asked is how many minutes after the descent initiated were they at an altitude of 300 meters? What we need to do here is realize that h is equal to a function of t. We're given that h is equal to 300 here. And we're given that function of t here. Now we need to solve this function in terms of t. So, if I take 600 to both sides, I have minus 300 on the left-hand side. And still minus 50t here. But then t, this implies, will be equal to negative 300 divided by negative 50. Which is gonna equal 6 if you use your calculator correctly. Therefore, the hot air balloon was at an altitude of 300 meters 6 minutes after the descent began. The next question we are asked is, what was their altitude at the time t equals 9? Well, since the height is equal to a function of t, and we have to substitute in the value 9 for t, we can write that h will be equal to negative 50 times 9 plus 600. When we punch that in, 50 times 9, well, let's see, that's 450. So 600 minus 450 is 150. Therefore, the height of the balloon at the time, t equals 9 minutes after they began their descent, will be 150 meters. I hope that this tutorial was beneficial for you. Once again, I'm Physics Man, and this has been a production by Physics Man Education. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the future!